show you this short video presentation, and I want you to take note of how great this particular income project is. This app is going to be mining you dollars by using your internet bandwidth to show ads automatically on your phone. You are not going to be doing anything at all because it's going to be, working on automation. Right now, it's showing ads on the background of my phone. So what you literally do is to make sure that you keep the app running on the background of the phone, and it's going to be counting, and you know it's going to be generating you money as it's showing ads from the background of your phone. Now, if I want to end this session, I will just click here times, I'll click here, and then I'm going to click on continue to take my income. You can see it has shown me how much I've earned. You see, in a short while. Alright, so, and it's very, very simple. So what you just need to do is to keep it running. So if I want to check my dashboard, I will just need to, if I want to check my earnings, I'll click here, So these are my earnings so far. It's going to pop up my earnings, and I just started using this app just a few hours ago. So what you need to do, and the withdrawal is very, very low. You can withdraw even $1. So our strategy is to refer people to join this app, because for every referral you are going to be making $0.1. You can see it says refer a friend and earn $0.1 instantly plus 20% of their internet earnings. Share with friends and watch your earnings grow. So what our strategy is to earn $2 within 24 to 48 hours using this great application. So, and to earn $2, you need 20 friends. So that's why you are going to follow my step by step. I'm going to show you a simple strategy on how to get 20 people to join this application with your app link. So to get your app link, just come to my DM, and I'm going to send you step 1 on how to join this app, how to start your own data farming application and be farming dollars using your data. So what you need to do, just come to my DM, and I'm going to give you the step 1. So it's very simple, and if you have already installed the app, what you need to do is to click on this button, this middle button, to start earning. You need to just keep the app running. Once you tap here, you will come to this interface, click on play. You click on play, it will show you some random ads. You don't need to close it, just leave it running. Leave it running, leave the ads running, don't close the ads. If you close the ads, you will lose your earnings. So it's as simple as that. You leave the ad running, it's going to close the ad by itself, and it's not a very difficult something. You just leave it like this, it will start showing ads by itself, and it will start earning you dollars. So now I want you to always open the app anytime you are not using the phone, mostly in the night when you are sleeping. Make sure you load your phone with data.
That's still your gift card.
You can see it's selling data for me, it's watching ads for me, and it's earning me money.
Or irate card.
Okay.
Card gold.
You can see
Download
I
now.
started earning points. You can see the point is growing. The point is growing right now. So as once in a while, you always come here to collect your income. So anytime you want to close the app to collect your income, what you just need to do is to click on this times arrow here. Click on this times arrow to bring you here. Then click on. Alright, so you can see it's loading and it's working in the background. So if you want to end the section, you just click on this times arrow here and collect your earnings. So you click here and collect your earnings. You click on continue to collect your earnings. You can see reward. You can see so sometimes it's going to show you other ways of earning. So, and to get your referral code, what you need to do is to click on this menu here, and it will take you to the referral section where you click on the middle button to copy your referral link, and that is what you're going to send to me. To check your referrals, what you need to do is to tap on this icon here. You'll be able to view all your referrals, and they will be paying you $0.1 per referral. So 20 referrals means $2. You earn $2 when 20 people are joining, and that is our focus, because we just want to focus on the referral program and generate $2. Then after you have withdraw your $2, I'm going to show you my next step on how to use that $2 to run a program that will be giving you $20 every single day. So guys, let's jump into this update and let's run it together. If you have not gotten the link to join this application, come to my DM right now and comment in my DM, send your entry code in my DM, and I'm going to send you the link. Or if you don't have your entry code, just come to my DM and type next step, and then I'm going to send you the link. All right, so you can see in a short while, I've just earned $0.06 again, just within few minutes. So that is how great this app is. If you are earning $0.01 every minute, if you times $0.01 every minute times 60 minutes, that makes 1 hour. So, but I want you to know that this is going to consume some of your data. So I advise you running this app only in the night. When you are sleeping, you can leave it running and go to sleep. It will be doing all the data mining work for you. But make sure you have enough data. You can buy as much as 500 megabytes for 15 naira. If you are using MTN or other network, do night plan. If you don't know the code for night plan, come to my DM and I'm going to share with you all the different night plan codes. You can do night plan for 15 naira, that is 500 megabytes. They'll give you 500 megabytes, but you can only use it from 11 o'clock to 6 o'clock. So do night plan, and also you can buy like 100 naira megabytes. That is 100 naira worth of data for 1 gig. If you do night plan 2 times, if you do it 4 times, that's 2 gig. If you want to run it throughout the night, you can do 2 gig, which is 200 naira for 2 gig. So, and you can leave it running throughout the night and collect your earnings. If you want to withdraw, I'm going to show you how to withdraw. You can withdraw. Click here. If you click here, you see all the withdrawal and all the withdrawal proofs. These are payment proof. People that have been withdrawing from the app, you can see these are the payment proof. People are withdrawing. You can see cash out $0.83. You can see the cash out is very, very low. You can see this person cash out $0.83. This person cash out PayPal. You see cash out PayPal. You can see this person cash out $1.04. You can see the withdrawal threshold are very low. This person cash out $0.4. You see, you can cash out very low cash out. This person cash out $0.38. You can see the withdrawal proof. So many of them. This person cash out $0.35. This person cash out $0.45. So the withdrawal process is very, very fast. I have withdrawn about 2 times, on this platform, and I'm going to show you my withdrawal proof in the group. And so you can withdraw with Payeer, Revolt, PayPal. You can withdraw with ATM. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw through ATM, which is the easiest, or Binance. You can withdraw through Binance Pay ID. You see, so I'm going to show you how to withdraw through Binance and ATM. So you're going to withdraw your earnings, and also if you want to withdraw through Payeer, I'm going to show you how to do that in the course of this tutorial. So our strategy in this project is to take advantage of the referral program. If you click here, you come to the referral section. So our strategy is to take advantage of the referral program and get 20 people into the system. You invite 20 of your WhatsApp friends to join. Within 1 day, if 20 people join, you make $2 and you withdraw. So that $2, I'm going to show you how to use it to run another project, another program that will be making you $20 every single day, $20 every single day. In 10 days, you'll be making $200, and in 20 days you'll be making $400, and in 30 days you'll be making $600. If you convert $600 to naira, that is about 1.2 million naira, 1,020,000 naira. That is what it will give you. So don't joke with this update. If you are making $600 every month, every single month, it's a breakthrough. It's a very breakthrough. So, and all in completing simple steps that will be making you money. So just come to my DM. I'll give you the link to this application that will be mining dollars for you every single minute. Then once you get the application link, you will download the link, the app, and then you sign in, and it will start mining you dollars. And then you click on this place, and then you copy your referral link by clicking here. Come to my DM and send me your referral link. So that is the step, very, very simple step. And I'm going to show you the next step on how to get 20 people in just 1 day that will join this update with you. And you are going to be making real fast money. Thank you very much as you complete my tutorial steps. God bless you.